Picture perfect and full of charm, this gorgeous single level weatherboard will capture your heart from the moment you walk in. I'm Emily Whitehead.
And I'm Craig Harrison, and this is 11 Rose Street. Let's take a look.
From the moment you walk through the front door, you can't help but feel wowed. Your eyes are drawn straight through to this stunning undercover deck, the sparkling pool, and the lush garden beyond. That beautiful northerly light fills the home.
Designed for effortless family living, the floor plan flows seamlessly from front to back. There's a full-size study at the front, ideal as a home office or an optional fifth bedroom, and 3 distinct living zones, giving everyone their own space while still staying beautifully connected. It's a home that feels open, flexible, and perfectly zoned for modern family life. Just moments from the Highett village, trains, schools, and local parks, this is bayside living at its best.
We can't wait to see you at our next open for inspection here.